Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Paysafe, a popular payment method that's often confused with Google Pay. I'm going to start by answering the question, is Paysafe Google Pay? The answer is no, Paysafe and Google Pay are not the same thing. Paysafe is a digital payment platform that offers a variety of services, including prepaid cards, e-wallets, and online payment solutions. Google Pay is a mobile payment service that allows you to make purchases using your smartphone. What is Paysafe? Paysafe is a digital payment platform that offers a variety of services, including prepaid cards. Paysafe offers a variety of prepaid cards that can be used to make online and offline purchases. Prepaid cards are a great option for people who want to control their spending or who don't have a bank account. E-wallets. Paysafe offers a number of e-wallets that can be used to store your payment information. E-wallets are a convenient way to make online purchases and to manage your finances. Online payment solutions. Paysafe offers a number of online payment solutions that can be used by businesses to accept payments from customers. Paysafe is available in over 40 countries and is used by millions of people around the world. What is Google Pay? Google Pay is a mobile payment service that allows you to make purchases using your smartphone. Google Pay can be used to make purchases at stores, restaurants, and online. Google Pay is available in over 30 countries and is used by millions of people around the world. How are Paysafe and Google Pay different? Here are some of the key differences between Paysafe and Google Pay. Type of service. Paysafe is a digital payment platform that offers a variety of services, while Google Pay is a mobile payment service. Availability. Paysafe is available in over 40 countries, while Google Pay is available in over 30 countries. Payment methods. Paysafe offers a variety of payment methods, including prepaid cards, e-wallets, and online payment solutions. Google Pay only allows you to make purchases using your smartphone. Security. Both Paysafe and Google Pay are secure payment methods. However, Paysafe may be more secure than Google Pay because it offers a variety of security features, such as two-factor authentication and fraud protection. When to use Paysafe? Paysafe is a good option for people who want to control their spending, don't have a bank account, need to make online purchases from businesses that don't accept credit cards, want to use a secure payment method. When to use Google Pay? Google Pay is a good option for people who want to make contactless payments with their smartphone, want to store their payment information in a secure place, want to use a payment method that's widely accepted. Paysafe and Google Pay are both great payment methods, but they have different strengths and weaknesses. It's important to choose the right payment method for your needs. If you're looking for a payment method that offers a variety of features and is available in many countries, then Paysafe is a good option. If you're looking for a simple and convenient way to make mobile payments, then Google Pay is a good option.